All right, y'all, I'm fixing to show y'all how to cook something that you can feed a lot of people with. We call it potato stuff. Got a little bit of everything in it. Got sausage, bacon, cheese, onions, potatoes, lots of potatoes. You're gonna see. Follow on, it's gonna be good. All right, let me tell you a little bit of stuff about potato stuff. It's just something we come up with years ago. I had some people over, and it's just something that feeds a lot of people, and it's fast, it's cheap, and it's good. That's the main thing. It's good. You can't be serving nobody no bad food down here. I think I got my griddles on low right now. This is another thing you could do. You can make it with anything you got. I like potatoes. I like bacon. Little onions, a little bit of everything in it. It's all good. A lot of cheese. You got to put a lot of cheese. All right, we got all this cut up, y'all. Let's get over here and throw it on that griddle. Make it sizzle. Listen. That's good, ain't it? Well, the reason we're doing this first is because we want to use this bacon fat to cook with. That makes bacon fat makes everything gooder, especially on the Blackstone. All right, y'all, we're going to let this cook a little bit. We're going to start cutting these potatoes up. I like these little red potatoes. I killed that one. And y'all, this little thing I got right here, my mom gave me this probably, I'm going to say 25 years ago. And I've done many a pound of potato on this. Y'all watch this. It's cool. Yes. I like to put my potatoes in water like this because if you soak them in water a lot, it takes the starch out of it. A lot of the starch comes out of the potato. Plus, you know how you cook a potato and they all stick together? Well, this helps that. They don't stick together with this once you wash them or soak them in water a little while. Mom had this cutter here for years. It got all kind of attachments that go on it. And she just gave it to me. I remember my whole childhood it's been around. And I've seen them on the internet in different places. They still make them. A lot of people want the electric ones, but the way we travel and camp and stuff all the time, we use these. Just a lot easier to foo it, no electricity. Look at there. And boy, you can cut some taters with this thing. And if you don't have one of these, you can just chop them up. But hey, if you got something, you might well use it. It takes a little while to master too. If you don't do it right, you might have finger stuff instead of potato stuff. We're going to cut this one up, and then we're going to check that bacon. Oh, yeah, y'all. This is going to be good. Now, come on over here. Oh, yeah. Start to cook down. We're going to turn this to the other side. We're cooking it real slow because we want all that bacon oil to come out. Or fat, however you want to say it. All right, y'all. We're going to get them potatoes soaking in a little water. We're going to leave the water running on them a little while. Our bacon is starting to look real good. But we're going to let that cook a little longer. Make sure none of the oil goes down the hole because we want all this bacon grease. All right, time to work on that sausage, y'all. Sausage is important to us in Louisiana. We make a lot of it. This didn't come from Louisiana. This comes from Alabama, but it's still good. This Connecticut sausage. Every morning we've had sausage growing up as a kid. And I still like my sausage. I just have trouble getting in it sometimes. This is what they call Connecticut sausage. It's real hard to say, but it's real good to eat. If you read it, you ain't gonna be able to say it. Now we're gonna cut this in little pieces. Growing up on the alligator farm, I would make 1,500 to 2,000 pounds of sausage a week with alligator sausage, and we'd make smoked sausage, fresh sausage. We made turtle sausage. Just piles and piles of sausage. You go to the Louisiana grocery store, they'll have a 50-foot aisle of nothing but sausage. All different kinds, colors, and shapes and sizes. Blueberry, pineapple, you name it, they got it, and it's all good. We use a lot of sausage in our stuff, mainly for flavoring though. And that's what a lot of these good sausages like this are really good, just the flavor to have. Yeah, this is smoked sausage, so it's basically cooked. You could eat it just like this, and we do. Y'all come on over here. Of course, sausage can make its own oil. You got a lot of fat in here. Now I think we're gonna go over there and get them potatoes. You soak the potatoes in here. What it does, it really gets a lot of the starch out of it. Plus, you'll notice these potatoes don't stick together like most time. If you cut them up and you put them in a pot, they all stick together. Well, once you wash them like this and let them soak, pulls the starch out, they don't stick together. All right, y'all, watch this. Listen. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Love to hear that sizzle. Now we're gonna scatter these everywhere. All right, we're gonna grab our seasoning and juice it up. Y'all gotta watch this stuff. It got a little kick to it. It shouldn't take that long, about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. These taters ought to be done, and then we can serve them up. Don't take long once you get started. You're just gonna let them sit though. All right, y'all, these taters have been sitting a few minutes. We're fixing to flip them. Come watch this. Oh boy, come on y'all. Y'all all turn over. Look at there. From now on, it's just a flipping game. But I am gonna give y'all a few little tips on what to do. Now, once you get it to this point, you get you a little water. We're gonna make them steam up a little bit. Watch this. All right, y'all, we're gonna flip this sausage and bacon around a little bit. Kind of mix it together. It really don't make much difference. But and we're gonna probably push that right back yonder to the backside. Get over here. Get over here. Y'all gonna get in trouble hanging around with them potatoes. All right, y'all, in South Louisiana, this is what we call the Holy Trinity. It's onions, bell peppers, and celery. We're gonna cook some of this down a little bit. You could buy it in a bag already made up like this. And I had some in the freezer, so that's why we're using this. And you can put as much as you want. A lot of people like a lot of onions and stuff in there. A lot of people don't. You can put whatever you want. I think that's about enough for this go around. We're gonna let them cook down a little bit in that bacon grease. Oh, it's smelling good, ain't it? Then we're gonna mix it all together, you'll see. All right, y'all, everything's cooking. Kind of turn things over and see what happens. We're gonna toss these potatoes around. Now this is only about 5 pounds of potatoes. A lot of time, I'll cook 15, 20 pounds of potatoes, and we'll feed a lot of people with that. Now we're gonna throw a little seasoning, a little of this Blackstone on the Blackstone on the onions. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, these are cooking down pretty good. Check this old sausage one more time over here. So we're gonna drag this over here. Now, if you really want to speed this up some, get you one of these domes. We could do that. I'm gonna put the dome on it. Show y'all another little trick here. Watch this. Get you some water. Squirt it down real good. A lot of water. That's a lot, yeah, but watch this. This is my dome. Y'all see that little bend right there? When the hurricane hit right here, it blowed everything all the way. It took this dome lid and put it about 6 blocks down through there. And I've seen something shiny one day. I went over there, see what it was. It was my dome. But they said we had 250-mile-an-hour winds come through here with the hurricanes and tornadoes and stuff. And it just scattered my stuff everywhere. But I found a lot of my Blackstone stuff. I found that dome. I found the, where's my pot at? Oh, this pot over here. I found it. It was about 100 yards over that way. But slowly we walked through the woods. We find all our stuff back. It's somewhere here. All right, y'all, we figured to try these taters out. I think they're done. I like to take them when I think they're done, take a fork and stick in them. Oh, yeah. As long as you don't feel no crunch in this, you good. We got this, y'all. We're going to get rid of this dome. You wait right there. We are going to do another flip just for the fun of it. Because right now, you got a bunch of crunchy stuff on the bottom here. You want to mix the crunchy in. See it? See that? That's the crunchy. I'm going to mix that in there. We're going to spread it out some. Come on, onions. Look at them onions. Spread them all in there. See all the little colors in there. Ain't that pretty? And believe it or not, this is good for breakfast too. All you gotta do is add a few eggs with this and you got you some good breakfast. Now y'all, most people be through now, but I'm not. We got one more major step. Right now we can actually cut everything off. Watch this, y'all. We're gonna get the cheese. Just a little sprinkle. Oh, I do that about 9 times. Let it melt down. You see it starting to melt. Oh my goodness. I know it looks like a lot of cheese. Okay, it is a lot of cheese. All right, half a bag and one more handful. All right, y'all, we're going to toss this up. Watch this. I got all my burners off. Because you let it cool down just a little bit because you don't want to burn all this cheese. Watch. But it's all starting to melt down. Uh-huh. We're going to make some ooey gooey stuff here. One thing you got to watch when you cook this stuff. I got friends that are just about killed for this. That's looking good. All right, y'all, we're going to grab this plate. We're going to stuck it right here. We're going to try this. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Is that pretty or what? Okay, I dropped a little tiny bit. The bugs you got to eat too. That's what you call potato stuff. All right, y'all, it's starting to cool down a little bit, so we better start eating this. Need a spoon, plate, fork, knife. Nah, none spoon would be good. All right, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at there, y'all. Look how good that looks. Now, a lot of people will add your seasoning or hot sauce first, but I don't. I like to let everybody put their own hot sauce. Some people can't eat it. Some people can. Watch me, I can. You can add a little garnish to this if you want, but I don't feel like it needs it. I think it's ready to go just like it is. Y'all watch this. The cheese, sausage, bacon, potatoes. You could put crawfish in here, which we do sometimes. Make it your way, make it your deal. I mean, you can put whatever you want in it. You put shrimp, crab, crawfish, put whatever you want in it, but this is how I like it.
Tonight you're cooking with the